How to check my Instagram login devices on iPhone. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to check your Instagram login devices using an iPhone. First, open the Instagram app as shown here. This will bring you to the homepage of the app. Once you're here, tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your profile section. On this page, you'll find several options for navigating different areas of the app. From these, tap on the menu icon. It's the one with the hamburger symbol at the top right corner. This opens the Settings and Activity section. Next, tap on the Account Center option. This will take you to the Account Center, where you manage your Instagram account. From there, scroll down and go to the Account Settings section. Under that, you'll see several more options. Find and tap the one labeled Password and Security. On this page, you'll find various settings related to password and account protection. The option we need today is Where you're logged in. Tap on it. After that, you'll be taken to another page. From here, select the account for which you want to check the logged-in devices. I will use this account as an example. Finally, you'll see a full list of all devices that are currently logged into your account. If you notice a device you don't recognize, you can even remove it from this page for security. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to check your Instagram login devices on iPhone.